Hey y'all, it's time for our read out loud. So, and of course, my reading buddies here, Shiloh, and Dixie's here. Dixie, are you going to read out loud too? Are you going to read out loud too? I'm sure they'll both be asleep here in a minute. So today we're going to read The Duckling Gets a Cookie. I do not like the look of that title. So grumpy, umpy, pigeon. So let's see what he's all grumpy about today. Hello, may I have a cookie, please? It's our little squeaky duckling. Thanks. Flappy flip flap. That was very nice of you. Ooh, look at all these nuts. Hey, how did you get that cookie? I asked for it. You asked for it politely. Say, does that cookie have nuts? Yes. So, you got a cookie with nuts just by asking? I ask for things all the time. I ask to drive the bus. I ask for hot dog parties. Do I ask for candy? I do. It doesn't have to be a big bus, you know. I'll ask for a French fry robot every now and then. I've asked for a walrus. Right now, I'm asking why? The pigeon is back to pitching fits again, which is probably why he doesn't get what he wants when he asks. Who knows? Oh, and there's more. Sometimes I ask for a hug or I ask for one more story. I can't count the times I've asked for my own personal iceberg. I've asked to stay up late. Oh yeah, I'm the askingest pigeon in town. But do I get what I asked for? No. Oh boy. Pigeon is pitching one more fit. Look at this. Oh my goodness. It's not fair. ducklings get everything. Pigeons like cookies too, especially with nuts. Why did you get that cookie? So I can give it to you. And another thing. How about what? You're giving me that cookie with the nuts. That is so nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Chomp. That is one cool duckling. Chomp. Yes, sir. May I have another cookie, please? But this time with no nuts. The end. So, if you ask nicely, you might maybe get what you want. And apparently, Duckling did not like cookies with nuts, so he gave it to Pigeon, then asked for a cookie he did like. So, but again, don't pitch a fit. Instead, ask nicely. And if you have been in my pre-K class years ago, or even some of my fourth graders know, my saying is what, y'all? You get what you get, and you don't pitch a fit. Right? Bye. I love all y'all.